Welcome to this full trading guide on how to trade futures and spot on Bitunix. I show you everything you need to know about this beginner-friendly crypto exchange. Bitunix is a non-KYC and no VPN trading platform, which means that you don't have to verify with your passport or your address, and no VPN means that you can trade worldwide on Bitunix. So especially for all the viewers from the US, UK and Canada, you can legally trade on this platform, and I show you everything you need to know. I also made timestamps down below, so feel free to skip to the part which interests you the most. So first of all, we need to create an account. So if you want to create an account on Bitunix, you can click on the link in the description. If you have clicked on the link in the description, this page will show up. And here you can see that you just have to fill in your email and your password to create an account. And at the referral code, there should be successful trading. So if you're not seeing successful trading at the code, you can just copy the code from the description. And with using this code, you can get up to 5,500 USDT trading bonus. And the first 20 people that will sign up with this link will get another deposit bonus on top. If you trade $100 and trade once, you will get 30 USDT on top. And if you deposit $200 and trade once, you will also get 60 USDT on top. So on top of this 5,500 USDT bonus, you will get this bonuses I said on top with using the referral code successful trading. So if you fill in your email and your password, you just have to click on claim rewards and you will have your account. I just logged into my account and you get up to this page. I will now give you a brief platform overview. As you can see, the layout is very simple and beginner friendly. And if we are scrolling down to the downside, you can see that we have many giveaways and contests right here. If you're scrolling even more down, you can see that here are some popular futures and popular spot positions. Here you can also see that Bitunix has many spot and future coins for crypto trading. And of course, the best benefits for Bitunix are non-KYC and no VPN, as I said. Also, Bitunix is very safe, and if you just deposit $10, you can start crypto trading, which is really nice. And again, you can see it here, you just need to create an account, deposit some funds, and you can start trading directly. And if you want to complete your KYC, you can click on Identify Verification. But as I said, you don't have to verify at Bitunix. And if you want to deposit money with Fiat, you can click on Buy Crypto. And here you can see that we can buy USDT with USD. You can also choose many different fiat currencies to buy some USDT. And here you will find the different payment providers. For example, if you are using MoonPay, you can also use Visa, MasterCard or Apple Pay or bank transfer to buy some cryptocurrencies. So it's very easy. And you can directly select different cryptocurrencies that you can buy with fiat money. If you want to deposit money with crypto, you click on Assets and Spot Account. Here you can see that I have $785 USDT on this account. And if you want to deposit even more money, you click on Deposit. And here you can select different coins. For example, if we are using Ethereum, you can then select the network. In this case, we are using Ethereum. And you have your deposit address and code right here. And you can deposit different cryptocurrencies. If you want later to withdraw them, you click on Withdraw. And here again, you can select the coin, the network, the withdrawal address and the amount. And the daily withdrawal limit is about 200,000 USDT. So if you now deposited some crypto on Bitunix, you can click on Spot to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. And here you can see the different cryptocurrencies you can trade on Spot. You can see here are many coins. And if you want to buy, for example, Bitcoin, we can go down here because we already selected Bitcoin. Then you can use limit order. I prefer market order because when you are at the market right now and you want to buy Bitcoin right now, you select market order. And if you now want to buy Bitcoin with USDT, for example 100, you can just click on buy BTC right here. And you can see that we have some Bitcoin right here and we also have available Bitcoin right here. And if you want to sell the Bitcoin again, you can click on 100%. You can see your available Bitcoin right here. And then I will sell again the Bitcoin. And now you can see that we have again 785 USDT. And we don't have any Bitcoins left. And if we now want to trade with leverage on futures, we have to first transfer some coins from spot to futures. For this, we are clicking on Assets and Spot Account. And then I will click on Transfer. And in this case, I want to transfer from my spot account to my futures account. And we are selecting, in this case, 500 USDT and click on Submit. And if we are now clicking on futures account, you can see that we now have 500 USDT to trade with. So as you can see, it's very beginner friendly and easy to understand. And if you now want to see which markets you want to trade, you can click on Markets. You can see here different futures account. As you can see, we have many coins to trade with. So Bitunix is specialized on cryptocurrencies and especially the futures trading. And if you now want to trade with futures, we click on futures. Then this layout opens and we can trade here cryptocurrencies with leverage. First we want to select a coin. In this case we are on Bitcoin and you can select different coins right here, but we are staying with Bitcoin. Here you can select between isolated and cross margin. I personally use isolated and I think it's way more safe, especially for beginners, so we'll use isolated and confirm. Here on the right you can select the leverage. Here you can see we have a 10x. And you can use a leverage up to 125, but for the most beginners it's better to stay at a lower leverage. I mostly use 10 leverage, confirm. If we are selecting the order type, you can see that we have market right here, but you can also select limit. I mostly use market because when you buy at market, you can get up in the position right now. So if you now want to open a trade, we also have to select this one right here. I always use USDT cost value, because if you want to open a trade with, for example, 200 USDT, you will then open a trade with 200 USDT and a 10x leverage. So the position will be about 2000 US dollars. And now it's very important to calculate the risk per trade. We are clicking on buy TPNSL. And it's always important to use a stop loss. I will never trade without stop loss. And in this case, if we want to open a trade and set the stop loss at $62,000, you can see that we are risking $13 if the stop loss got hit. And if you want to risk more per trade, you will either get up the USDT or the leverage. In this case, if we are using $300 in case of 200, you can see that we are now risking $43. And if we are using a TP, for example, $66,000, you can see that we would make $133 if we are hitting the TP. So I personally always use the SL and of course the TP to see how much money I would make if we win the trade. And if you now want to open the trade, I will click on buy long. Here you can see again the stats for this trade, buy 10x on Bitcoin. And then I will click on confirm. And as you can see, we opened the position right here. You can see the margin we are using, the position size, which is 10x of our margin, as I said. You can see the entry price right here. You can also see that we have here opened the trade. We have here the stop loss and the take profit. You can see under here the unrealized profits. In this case, we are slightly in loss. And if you want to see the TPNSL, you click on open orders and TPNSL and you can see it right here, but we can also see it in this page. And if you want to manage this open position, we can select different TPSL right here. Or if we are clicking on take profit and selecting to keep them higher, you can see that we just took the take profit even higher. And if you want to have more stop loss, you can also select this one and regulate it how you want it. For example, you set this under this lows, and here you can see that you can manage this position, the stop loss and the take profit. And if you want to take profits, you can select here that you want to take 50% of the position out. You click on 50. And then you can see that we have a quantity of 0.0221. And you can see that the full position size is 0.0443 Bitcoin. And if we are now clicking on close, you can see that we are taking out half the position. So we are taking profits and confirm. And you can see that we have this open position right here, but we took 50% out. And if you want to fully close this position, we are clicking on quantity and 100% and then click on close, confirm. And as you can see, we finally closed the trade. Of course, you can also select short positions right here. You can click on buy long or sell short. In this case, we took a long position, but now I showed you everything you need to know to trade futures on Bitunix. If you have any questions left, just write it down in the comments. And if you want to get better at trading, get a daily analysis and signals on the crypto market, then click on the link in the description and join my free Telegram group. We are already a community of 767 people, so feel free to join my free Telegram group. And if you want to get the 5,500 USDT bonus for Bitunix, and if you want to support this channel, then click on the link in the description and register on Bitunix. So guys, this was the tutorial on Bitunix on spot and future trading. If you have any questions left, just write it down in the comments, and also write a comment if I should make more tutorials on Bitunix or other exchanges. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.